Good day, Mom and Sir. I am Vicky Andaya Duque, 35 years old at this time. I am married and I have blessed one children's son, ages 15 years old. My highest educational achievement is college graduate, associate in computer technology. My work experience is I work as domestic helper in Lebanon for 2 years. I serve one couple and two children, 2 years old and 3 years old. And also I work as domestic helper in Saudi Arabia for 5 years. I work one couple and three children, ages 4 years old, 10 years old, and 15 years old. And also I work as domestic helper in Malaysia for 4 years. I serve one couple elderly, ages 81 years old and 82 years old, with two dogs pet. My duties are cooking, laundry, washing dishes, ironing, going to market, and sometimes walking with the dogs, evening and morning. The most important thing is I will taking good care the children, feed on time, helping them how to write and read. And sometimes I'm playing with them. The advantages of my employer if they will hire me, I am hardworking, trustworthy, loyal, patient, obedient, and easily to learn. Thank you, Mom and Sir. I'm looking forward to work with you. Thank you very much, Mom.